Hi there. This is a quick video tutorial to demonstrate how to make an audio recording using a MacBook Air. Click on QuickTime Player. A window will appear, but you can X out of the window or press Cancel. With QuickTime now open on your taskbar, click File and then scroll down to do Audio Recording. Your audio recording window is small and has a red button. Before you click the red button, you need to ensure your microphone is engaged. Saying a few test words and watching the recording bars move will indicate that your computer's microphone is engaged. If there is no response from your computer recording bars after you say a few words, click the downward arrow to view your microphone options. Select your computer's built-in microphone and try testing your voice again by speaking out loud and watching the recording bars move. Now you are ready to record. Click the red button and watch the video counter start counting. The red button is now black, indicating that it is recording. When you are finished your voice recording, click the black button and notice that the recording window is now an untitled document. Click the title area and then the arrow to name your file so you can easily find it later. You may also wish to include tags. You can also click the red X and a prompt will open to give you an opportunity to rename your file. It will also give you an option where to save your file. I would recommend you save it first to your desktop and then file it away appropriately in the cloud or in your documents folder after you have shared it with your teacher.